Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be reviewing a kit with some self-tanner products. It's actually a couple products that I've already tried, so I can get a little bit more into like how they've worked for me over the time that I've been using them. So it is 3 products. It is the Tanceuticals CC Color Correct Self-Tanning Face Lotion in Ultra Dark, of course. The Tanceuticals CC Color Correct Self-Tanning Body Mousse, also in Ultra Dark. And this mitt that came in the kit. So we're gonna be talking all about what this did for me, how I liked it, and we're gonna be trying it out on camera so you guys can see what these products look like together. So lots of fun stuff. Before we get into it, please give this video a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Just really means the world, and you get 3 videos a week, so do not miss out. But if you wanna see my just review and up-to-date kind of thoughts on what these products did for me, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, so this is in collaboration with Tanceuticals, so huge thank you to Tanceuticals for sending this kit with these amazing products to me. I'm very excited to be talking about these. I've tried both on my channel and I have absolutely loved both of these products. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know this face lotion was one of like my top face lotions that I was applying like non-stop. I love this stuff, it's just so easy. And this I tried probably just a couple of months ago, but I absolutely fell in love with it, and they're ultra dark, so speaking my language immediately. And then this mitt, I already have like a mitt that I've used. This is a fresh one, but I love the mitt. It's so soft. I love the fact that there's no thumb hole. Honestly, I've tried all kinds of mitts and I don't like the thumb hole ones, so I appreciate this. It's double-sided, super easy to use. But yeah, let's get into the details about this kit. So, on the Tanceuticals website, it is the Tanceuticals Mousse CC Self-Tanning Kit in Ultra Dark. So like I said, it comes with the face lotion, the mousse, and the mitt. So it goes for $47.95 on the website, which I feel like is a steal for like an entire body mousse, face lotion, and a mitt. And then the description says, save money with our award-winning kit. Our ultra dark self-tanners not only give you a flawless, sunless tan, but also improve your health and appearance of your skin. Never any streaks or orange color, and you'll love the coconut scent. The kit includes, like I said, the body mousse ultra dark, tanning face lotion ultra dark, and the luxurious tanning mitt. So it says, get the essentials for a perfect sunless tan. This award-winning kit in ultra dark, well, it just says what it includes again. #1 rated self-tanner, gorgeous color. So it says our luxurious CC self-tanning mousse in ultra dark gives you a deep, super dark tan without the sun or tanning beds, and our revolutionary formulas guarantee no streaks or orange color. Amazing scent. Our fresh coconut scent eliminates that self-tanner smell everyone dislikes, and it's loved by both men and women alike. It's good for your skin. So it says Tanceuticals is filled with organic, healthy cosmeceuticals like acai berry, argan oil, and pomegranate that improve the quality and appearance of skin. In addition to providing a flawless sunless tan, it also moisturizes and nourishes. It says includes our special face self-tanner. The skin on the face tends to be thinner and more sensitive. To account for this, our face self-tanner is slightly thicker, like a face cream, and more moisturizing. It's also non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores, I can't talk today, or cause acne. It's supposed to be easy to use, long-lasting, lasts about 6 to 7 days, works for both men and women. So a lot of amazing things. It's cruelty-free, clean ingredients, so sounds awesome, and I can tell you that is the case. So just like briefly, I'll tell you the experience I had with all 3 of these products. The face lotion, I'm in love. Like a lot of times on like my not trying a new self-tanner for the face weeks, I would grab for this one because it's just so easy. Like it's a clear face self-tanner, which I really love for the face. It is like a thicker, more moisturizing kind of cream, and I love that you don't have to mix it with anything. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know I just love things that are quick, easy, on the go, and this is definitely that. Like, I feel like I could just like rub it into my face like a regular moisturizer and move on with my life. So I love that. And then this, I'm in love, you guys. It's amazing. It's definitely a dark self tanner. It's so smooth when you're applying. It feels so good on your skin. It's not streaky, not orangey. It looks beautiful. And I do feel like it fades really evenly too. I know sometimes with self tanners, especially the ultra dark ones, they kind of fade a little bit patchy, and I did not notice that with this one, so love that. And then I already told you guys that I love the mitt. So that's just like a brief overview of my love for these products. So we're gonna start applying because that's what you guys are here for. So the face one, it is a new packaging. So the old packaging that I had, it was a white bottle. This is hot pink. So I already love this. Pink is my favorite color. So let me show you guys what this looks like. This is a brand new bottle, so I'm gonna just take this off. So it's a white cream, as you can see, and it goes onto the face clear. So let me put this cap back on. I'm gonna apply this for you. This is the ultra dark, so this is gonna get me color, and I would say this lasts me probably like 2 to 3 days before I feel like I need to start reapplying it. So we're gonna start with this. We're gonna apply really quick. So I'm just gonna put this in my hands and put it on like a regular lotion. So let's get started. It does have a coconutty smell. It's not too strong, and it does go away after like a few minutes, so it's not like bothersome throughout the night. So you saw how quick that was to apply, and it is like, it feels thick and my skin feels so moisturized. And I can tell you this didn't clog my pores or break me out when I was using it before. So just amazing. I always bring it up into my hairline and my ears and like down to my neck too, but my skin feels so good. And then I'm just gonna briefly show you guys like on my chest and my arms how I apply the body one. I have 2 videos dedicated to these, so if you wanna see like reviews about like this individually and this individually, they're on my channel. But I'm gonna show you guys just like on my chest and my arms how this one applies. So I am just gonna start applying and then we'll talk after. So let's get started. Okay, so I just applied to my face and my body, and as you can see, the color guard is there, and I tried to like show you guys just a little bit. Here, let me squeeze some out onto the mitt. So you can see it's like a really beautiful brown color, and it has like a slight hint of like a red undertone, and I feel like that is like my favorite kind of undertone, because I've noticed at least that that always gives me like the perfect like true brown tan the next day. Like, it's not too olivey, it's not too anything, and that's what I get from this. Like, even the next day when I apply, you'll see in the morning, but just look at like the initial color that this gives you. Obviously my face is the same as it was before I applied because it comes off clear, so you're not going to see any color right away. So yeah, I'm super excited. Went on super easy, so smooth. You saw how quick that was to apply. I feel like that took me like no time. So same with the face. Like, I just love how effortless both of these are. So I'm very excited to show you guys the result in the morning. I'm gonna go to sleep on this, and then once I wake up tomorrow and wash it off, I will show you guys the final result. And yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, I am back. It's the next day, and here is my face tan and my body tan. As you can see, I got lots of color and I'm so happy with it. The only makeup that I'm wearing on my face, so I'm not wearing any like foundation or anything like that. I only spot concealed any blemishes that I had because I'm not having a good skin week. So I just spot concealed like whatever spots I needed to, but nothing like totally on my face. Like, this is just the color that I got from the tan. And then obviously my body, this is the actual tan on my body. So happy with it. I just love it. As you can see, not streaky at all. It's very, very even, and it's like a very beautiful, true golden brown tan, and it got me dark. So I am in love with the color that this got me. Like I said, I've tested this out. I've worn it multiple times, and this fades really beautifully throughout the week. It didn't make me like splotchy or patchy or anything like that. I feel like it was like a nice even fade throughout the week. So I love that. Same goes for the face. I look very even. It doesn't look like darker in some places. It's very just like one tone, and I love that. My face is a little bit lighter than the rest of my body, but I still got a ton of color in my face, and I feel like that makes it look very, very natural. Like I look very like sun-kissed in the face. Like I got a lot of color from this, and my body, I am just living for this tan. And the mitt, again, I love the mitt. It's just so easy to use. It doesn't have a thumb hole, so I love that. So this whole kit, I'm just super, super happy with. I love it. I really do think it's such a steal that you get this, and a mitt, all for $47, $48, because some just body or just face tanners are in the 40s, so you get like a 3-in-1, which is very, very nice, and you get amazing color. I am a happy girl. I'm smiling super big, so love it. It's worth it 1000%. So that was like my little recap on both self tanners and the mitt, I guess, just the kit as a whole, and what they've done for me, how I've been using them in the past, what I think of them, and you get a little look at how this turns out on me when I wear it. So that is it. I'm gonna link these products. I'll link like the kit in my description box for you guys. Once again, huge thank you to Tanceuticals for collabing with me on this. I appreciate it. I love talking about products that I love, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Comment and let me know what you guys think about this tan, the face tan and the body tan. Let me know what you think, how they turned out on me. Give this a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.